Hello my friends, today we are going to show you how to continue to embroidery while the thread broken. Now we use a trimmer to cut the thread. And the machine will stop embroidery. The first step, we need to thread the machine.
它就在我这个正常好，你要这样，那我动作。
Now the machine is threaded well, but when the thread broken, the design embroidery is also continue to do in several times. So we need to back the needle pattern, and now we need to back the embroidery. You can see the real stitches on the screen. This pattern means to embroidery forward, and this pattern means to back. And this means to the low speed. And now we continue to embroidery.